Pollution within Australian waterways is increasingly affecting the natural ecosystem that exists and therefore is a major environmental issue to date. There are many factors that have a significant impact on poor water quality in rivers, dams and other water catchment areas that consist of both natural and human influence. Water pollution leads to an unbalancing of the natural chemical levels, thus disrupting the ecosystem within and creating a domino effect by endangering native flora and fauna. Specifically, the Hawkesbury-Nepean River has been impacted by eutrophication due to the runoff from livestock within the area, of which has in turn depleted the water quality at some points of the Hawkesbury-Nepean River. So what exactly is eutrophication? Eutrophication is caused by the runoff from agricultural land, creating an excess in nutrients within a body of water. Now let's take a closer look. Here is a representation of the Hawkesbury-Nepean River being surrounded by agricultural land. At this particular point of the riverbanks are surrounded by livestock, of which desecrate by the water's edge. Over time, runoff occurs, causing the feces to then flow into the water. This creates a spike of nutrients within the water, specifically nitrogen and phosphate, giving rise to photosynthesis and promoting the growth of plants. Algal blooms then begin to occur, depleting the quality of the water and reducing the oxygen levels of which eradicate plants and wildlife such as fish. Agricultural runoff leads to roughly 40 to 50% of the phosphate and roughly 25% of the nitrate found within the Hawkesbury-Nepean River system. Eutrophication not only has a direct effect on the organisms within the water, but those outside of it too. Once an algal bloom occurs, the water within it becomes contaminated. As the Upper Hawkesbury is utilised for its drinking water for the surrounding suburbs, this poses a major issue as the water becomes toxic to drink. So what's being done? The New South Wales Department of Environment and Climate Change reported that as a result of the increased levels of nutrients within the water, many monitoring programs have been put into place, such as the New South Wales Metropolitan Water Plan. The Hawkesbury River in particular has numerous catchment sites implemented through the Hawkesbury-Nepean River Environmental Monitoring Program to routinely monitor the water quality at different points of the body of water.